If you've been feeling the pinch from rising car insurance costs, there's finally some good news. Recent data from QuoteZone shows that car insurance prices across the UK are starting to stabilise, bringing much-needed relief to motorists. In fact, the average cost of car insurance dropped from £668 in April to £648 in June this year. That's a significant change compared to the dramatic surge we saw in 2023, when premiums were much higher. Looking at the bigger picture, drivers are now paying an average of £664 in the second quarter of 2025, down from £806 during the same period last year. That's a welcome shift, especially with other motoring costs like repairs, car tax, and new low-emission zones all adding to the pressure on household budgets. But while prices are falling overall, not everyone is seeing the same savings. Motorists in London are still facing some of the highest premiums in the country, with average costs reaching £951 in June. Drivers in the West Midlands and North West England are also paying above £700 on average. Meanwhile, regions like the South West and Wales are seeing lower premiums, with averages closer to £500. Age is another big factor. Young drivers, especially those aged 17 to 24, have traditionally faced the steepest costs. But even here, there's good news. The average premium for this age group has dropped from 2,130s in October last year to 1,251s in June 2025. A saving of 37%. If you want to keep your insurance costs as low as possible, experts recommend checking your policy details regularly. Make sure your information is accurate and up to date, including your job title, mileage, and where you keep your car overnight. Even small changes, like adding a roof rack or switching jobs, can affect your premium. And remember, shopping around is key. Even if your renewal quote is lower this year, it pays to compare options. With prices stabilizing, now is a great time to review your policy and see if you can save even more.
QuoteZone. Find a better deal